Action.
On the menu, we're having chicken wings, grilled cheese sandwiches, three different. Welcome back to Simple Sundays Cooking with Zion. Today we have a lot of things to get to, and also I'm a little bit colorful. Today is the Oscars, so we're going to be having some food that a lot of the people at the Oscars are not going to be able to eat. Also, I'd like to give a shout out to Demonte, Deontay, and Bobby Chin, and for Diamante, A.K. Poon. So for all the ladies, 310, DM me, and we'll take it from there. Today's menu: chicken wings, 3 types, 3 different ways, grilled cheese sandwich, and I'm going to get to how to make the wings. Very simple. Little oil, little flour. We have flour mixed with cumin, sea salt, garlic powder. So what we're going to do is we have flour here mixed with all the seasoning so that the wings can be nice and seasoned. And we're going to just place the chicken wing in the flour. Use a little spoon to make sure you get the little crevices. See the crevices? Boom, boom, boom. And then not too heavy because you don't want them all caked up. So you want to just, dust them off a little bit and make sure you get that little edge. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Not my friend, not my friend. All right, well, we're ready to go. So I'm going to go to the fryer. So we have our 3 sauces ready. We have our oil at 350 because that's very imperative. And we have our wings that have been sitting for a while so that they get room temp, so it's easier to fry. They don't take forever. So I just place them in there, and you want to make sure you have enough oil, so they're covered. They're covered such as that, and you wait till they turn a golden brown, not a deep brown, because they still continue to cook after the fact. So here we go. This is Wishbone chunky blue cheese. This is going to be our dipping sauce. This is fresh blue cheese, and I mix it in there. Whoops. Excuse me. I'll just put it like that. But anyways, you get the gist of it. So you mix it in there, maybe just a little bit more, because you want to make it that it's dippable. See, and this looks absolutely wonderful. And if you don't like blue cheese, fresh, but this is our official blue cheese dipping sauce. Yes. So we have our 3 sauces. We have balsamic vinegar and butter. So and then I don't know if I should plate that, but this is our teriyaki sauce, and this is our buffalo hot sauce. Buffalo grill go around the outside. So I'm gonna go and plate this. So we have a special guest, our camera social specialist, Mark Anthony, and he's going to be the one that's going to taste these because he's an expert.
Hey, how you guys doing?
How you doing, Marky?
Good, how you doing? Give a little flip for the camera.
Yeah, there we
out there
go.
in the social media world. How you doing? Just want to say thank you for inviting me. Can't wait to try these wings.
Oh, and by the way,
Super excited.
I have raised this child.
Yeah.
I've known him his whole life.
Yeah.
Let's do duck lips.
No. Here you go. I'll let you hold that. Let me try these wings.
That's it,
right? I'm going to hit tangy first.
Do me well. And if you choose...
Oh, that's great. Really good.
There we go. Look at him tear it up.
Mm-hmm. 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 These are really good.
Could you give me
the bread on it is amazing. It's not too much. It's not too light.
Correct.
And the chicken is cooked properly.
And if you want to just look my way, so we can see your good-looking face.
Beautiful, beautiful. All right.
And excuse
So I like to get some carrots in there with some blue cheese. Hello.
Yeah. That's it.
Homemade
Chunky.
blue cheese.
That's
I love
right.
the chunks. All right. I'll go with this vinaigrette next. Nice, nice. So if you haven't noticed, I usually go for the drums. Are you a drum guy? Or are you a... What's the other one?
Wing.
Now, he didn't say drunk guy. Oh, and by the way, for us addicts in recovery, I'm 525 days today, so...
Congratulations.
Yes, thank you. I appreciate it.
That's also awesome. I usually use the carrots and celery to rebalance my palate.
That's right.
Just so
You're
it's not too
absolutely
heavy.
right. See? Be honest.
The teriyaki is great. I love balsamic vinaigrette, so I also enjoy that one. And the buffalo is always a go-to. But I do like this teriyaki a lot. Really good. Good job, guys.
So here we are, going to be working on our grilled cheese, and we have butter here and then you butter both sides. You can use a brush or whatever you have to brush on there, and you want to make sure that the whole slice is covered. So here we have our three sauces. This is the buffalo sauce. I'm going to mix it with the blue cheese, because our tasting person, or Mark Anthony, likes blue cheese. And don't forget, both sides are buttered. And this is our balsamic vinegar and butter. Well, all of them have butter, so I'm going to do the blue cheese first. And this has all the cheese in it, so. And the chicken I buy from Smart and Final, pre-made chicken. It's roasted, and by far I find it to be the best tasting. So that's just FYI. And you can use your favorite cheese to whatever one you like. This is the teriyaki. Put this here. For the teriyaki, I'm going to use the Havarti. And then we have, I like Kobe cheese. So we're going to put some Kobe cheese. Delish. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to cook this one, excuse me. I should do the Havarti cheese first. Oh no, I'm going to do the blue cheese first for our guest. So we go ahead, and also I buttered the iron skillet. So we place it here. We got to make sure it's the right temperature. Not too high, because you don't want to scald the bread. Oh, hello. So what we want to do is here, cut them both into triangles. I plated the first ones here. This is the last one. This is Kobe. And so you just plate them nicely if you're going to have company, so that they look nice. And you just plate them just like that. And then we'll put these to the side. And this is the end result. We have our balsamic, our buffalo, and our teriyaki. So this is our guest star taster, Mark. So we're going to go right in and start tasting our wonderful grilled cheese. I'm going to dig into the balsamic, which is, I like crispy.
That was better than I thought it was going to be.
Stop shifting around and get cooking.